Google just stepped into scary new ground with personal no intelligence in Gemini. Your AI helper isn't just answering questions anymore. It now really gets your whole life in a deep way that might make you look back over your shoulder. This rollout lets your AI helper dig into your everyday habits. It pulls info from old emails going back years, photos that catch your happy times, calendars full of your plans, docs packed with your thoughts, and key apps that run your days. It's not just a small update to follow trends. Google is changing what AI friends do, from forgetting everything to always keeping tabs on your personal stuff. Alarming depths. Back when AI helpers were basic, chats felt shallow, like talking to a nice stranger who listens but forgets everything right away. You had to explain your likes, dislikes, and past choices over and over for any real help. They were just talking fact books, good for quick info like weather or roads, but clueless about your love for calm nature walks over loud city spots, or how you always plan trips with family instead of going alone, or why you skip crowded places that wear you out. Google fixes this big time with personal intelligence in Gemini. It uses your full digital history from emails, photos, and more, something others can't match because it's all your personal stuff in one place. That info doesn't sit idle anymore. It turns into smart guesses about what you need next, giving answers so spot on it might make you wonder what else it knows about you. The biggest worry hits hard because this fits so perfectly into apps where you've shared your private life for years, those trusty tools that hold a clear map of everything you do. Gmail keeps a huge record of your talks, showing your friendships, times you paused before deciding, and promises you kept or forgot through tons of messages built up over months and years. Photos do more than save moments. Your calendar lays out your weekly beat, from early morning exercises that get you going to late night work rushes that stress you out, and the free time you protect in your busy days. Documents and Drive reveal how your mind works, with rough notes on ideas that keep you up late and charts following goals you push for steadily. When Gemini connects all this, it makes a smooth chain from what used to be scattered bits. Building ties old AI could never handle, and that web of knowledge might hold you stuck in ways that get tougher to escape day by day. Custom-fit features. When you casually ask for travel tips, forget those boring lists of famous spots or cookie-cutter hotels that fit no one just right. Instead, Gemini pulls ideas from your own life, like pics from your beach trip last year still sitting in your gallery, old emails with flight bookings, free days that match your usual vacation time, and skips of places you avoided before because they felt too crazy busy. It picks up that you like low-key solo trips with a backpack more than big group fun, or quiet trails under big skies instead of loud city streets and traffic jams, all without you having to tell it again. Deep down, personal intelligence works because it gets personal like that. The helper doesn't just read your words, it mixes in who you are, handing you plans that feel made by a friend who totally gets you. This personal touch can feel a bit scary at times, since it digs into your daily apps where privacy lines seem super thin, but Google has made us understand that there's no need to worry. Google fights back by giving you tons of control, more than ever before. You can choose exactly which apps share info, turn the whole thing off with easy switches, and make sure it only grabs fresh data right then, not a big forever pile. They keep saying your private stuff never trains their main AI brains, a promise everyone in tech will watch closely, but it shows they care about keeping your trust from day one. Sticky ecosystem trap. Look beyond the simple convenience it offers every day, and you'll see the smarter plan Google has in mind. By making Gemini know you so deeply, it makes switching to a different AI really hard. It feels like leaving a close friend in the middle of an important talk, losing all the shared stories and details along the way. Sure, another AI might work a bit faster or know more about certain things in spots, but without your full past, like all those emails that show your choices and photos that capture your feelings, it comes off weak. It misses all the little tricks and shortcuts you've built up together over many months of use. Google is betting big on that strong connection, the quiet force that turns a helpful tool into something you can't live without, so important to how you get things done that even thinking about other options feels uncomfortable and wrong. Rival scale, push. While Google digs deep into your personal data to make AI that feels super custom just for you, OpenAI goes the other way. They aim to grab millions of regular people all over the world. Instead of tying tight into specific apps, they focus on low prices anyone can afford, pulling in folks who would normally just use free versions. ChatGPT Go costs a simple $8 a month. That's the perfect sweet spot. Before, high prices kept curious people away. Now it turns them into regular paying users super fast because it's such a good deal. It's not some weak, cheap copy at all. It runs on a strong, fast model built to work all day every day without stopping. You get lots more messages so talks can go on and on. Files upload smoothly with no problems. It makes clear images from words in seconds. It remembers stuff better over many chats. And it handles bigger questions way easier than the basic free one everyone starts with. Designed to sit open in your browser tab all day like a trusty work buddy by your side, ChatGPT Go works great for students writing essays nonstop, freelancers polishing their sales pitches and project proofs quickly, and everyday people planning dinner ideas or fixing broken gadgets whenever they need help. It turns from just a fun thing to try into the main tool you rely on for getting real work done every day. What's really cool is that even this basic paid version lets you build and tweak your own special GPTs. These are like little custom helpers shaped exactly to fit how you work and what you do. This shows OpenAI's big plan: change a simple chatbot into a busy center full of ideas. People everywhere add their own creations, sparking new tools that grow faster than the company could make alone. It's like how the best software grows big from everyone sharing tips and fixes together. Monetization twist. To keep growing this big, they need money, which brings the catch everyone saw coming. Ads now show up in the free version and ChatGPT Go, but not in the higher paid plans. OpenAI is honest about it and testing ads just at those basic levels, doing it like social media feeds or video apps do, where you can pay more to skip ads or watch some quick ones. They promise clear labels on ads so you know what's what, keep them away from your answers, and avoid touchy topics like health talks or big arguments. They know one wrong move could make people stop trusting them fast. Running huge AI like this costs a ton non-stop, so someone pays either with cash, a few seconds looking at ads, or bits of data. You can't avoid it, just like you can't fight gravity. Sensitive areas stay safe and untouched by ads. Ads come after your main answers with safe links that take you away cleanly. They only show to grown-ups who are logged in, as a careful way to start while keeping big spenders happy without bugs. Free users in the $8 plan see ads that fit right into your chat flow. But the $20 Plus or $200 Pro plans stay totally ad-free. This keeps your work smooth and focused when you pay more. Creative speed boost. While big AI helpers battle it out, Black Forest Labs quietly releases Flux Klein. It's a super fast tool for making pictures that changes how creators work without much noise. Those long waits of minutes for images to finish are gone now. This one makes real-looking photos or changes them in less than half a second. So quick it feels like it's reading your thoughts as you think them up. Creators can test ideas live with no breaks. People fixing problems can add pictures right into their answers fast. And images go from final products you wait for to smooth parts of your thinking process built right in. Optimized to work on regular graphics cards in your everyday laptop or desktop instead of big expensive cloud systems that lock you into payments and shaky internet, Flux Klein brings top-quality picture making to any computer, big or small. You don't need fancy business setups or giant server rooms at all. It uses smart tricks to cut down on power and memory use on your own machine, so things stay fast and cool without slowing down. One simple system handles everything. It turns words into detailed scenes from basic ideas, making exact changes for small fixes, and mixing multiple pictures together smoothly. This makes it easy for people building apps to add it right in, without dealing with messy parts or setup problems that don't match. It's been tested hard for real daily work, skipping common issues like sudden crashes or frustrating slowdowns. Wearable revival bid. Bridging the gap between digital tech and the real world around you, Google is getting ready for smart glasses to come back in 2026. They've learned from past mistakes, where early versions scared people with their obvious staring cameras that felt creepy and pushy, and work-only models just faded away without anyone noticing or caring. Success now depends way more on fitting in like normal everyday glasses, the kind people wear for fashion or to see better, helping with stuff like fast facts or directions without making strangers stare or you feel weird in a crowd. Studies show wearables do best when they mix real helpfulness with no awkward feelings. New popular ones nail this by using slim, simple designs that hide the sensors, cameras, and smart brains inside, so the tech stays out of sight but works great. Google's new push for smart glasses focuses on simple, smooth style and easy everyday use, teaming up with big fashion brands to make cool-looking wearables that catch your eye without screaming tech gadget. It puts real helpful features first, not just shiny tricks, with easy Gemini voice talks that feel like chatting with a friend, quick photo snaps for on-the-spot questions like "What's this building?" and gentle on-glass hints for directions, subtitles in noisy spots, or quick translations wherever you go. Lessons from old flops guide them well. Match the current trend where wearables feel normal like your regular sunglasses, price them right so lots of people can buy, design super comfy and light frames that feel good all day, and roll out smart features without the past scares over privacy or bulky, ugly shapes. Personal intelligence shows Google's smart use of your close-up personal data, OpenAI's big reach through easy access and ads, Flux speeding up picture making in real time, and smart glasses bringing AI right to your face wearable style. All these steps pull tech even closer to daily life, balancing the great perks with careful privacy watches, creating helpers that fit your exact way of living just right. Now the real question is, are you truly ready for AI that knows it all, or is that a step too far? If you enjoyed this breakdown, like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's next.